The Komatsu D155 Bulldozer, a true powerhouse in the world of mining and heavy construction. Today, let's take a closer look at its performance and specifications in action. The Komatsu D155 is powered by a Komatsu SA6D140E5 turbocharged diesel engine, delivering about 354 horsepower or 264 kilowatts. With an operating weight of over 41 tons, it provides excellent stability and strength in tough conditions. Its blade capacity ranges from 9 to 11 cubic meters, making it capable of moving massive amounts of material in just one push. The automatic transmission system maximizes engine efficiency while maintaining power. A reinforced undercarriage ensures long-lasting durability, even in the harshest mining environments. The operator's cab is ergonomically designed, offering wide visibility and intuitive controls for both comfort and productivity. Performance, reliability, and power. That's what makes the Komatsu D155 a top choice for mining and heavy-duty operations. This is the true strength of the Komatsu D155 Bulldozer in action.